Have you ever woken up one morning, looked down, and thought to yourself, wait, what happened to my morning wood? If you're a man over 50, you've probably noticed that erections don't always show up on command the way they used to. And it can feel confusing, even frustrating, because the desire is still there, but the response isn't as reliable. Now, here's the part most men never hear. It's not just about age, it's about something much simpler and often overlooked: your nutrition. Your body is a machine. And just like any high-performance engine, if it's not getting the right fuel in the right way, performance takes a hit. No matter how strong your drive is, the mechanics can falter. Stay with me today, because I'm going to share the 3 powerful vitamins that can transform your testosterone, circulation, and erection quality when you take them correctly. And by the end, you'll see how timing and synergy make all the difference. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, drop a comment below and tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing men from all over the world coming together to take charge of their health. And if you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Most men are told, it's just age. Things slow down, but that's only half the story. Yes, changes happen. Testosterone naturally drifts lower, blood vessels stiffen a bit, nerves fire less efficiently. But here's the myth, that nothing can be done. The truth? Many men are not broken. They're simply running low on key nutrients that keep the male system firing. And the incredible part is this: when you replenish those deficiencies in the right way, the body often bounces back faster than you'd think. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a practicing urologist with 5 years of experience working with men just like you. In my clinic, I see hundreds of men each year who come in worried, frustrated, sometimes embarrassed about changes in performance. And I can tell you this: you are not alone. These struggles are common, and more importantly, they are often fixable. Today, I'm giving you my 3-step vitamin protocol, the exact one I recommend to men over 50 who want to restore their energy, confidence, and firmness without relying on quick fix pills. We're going to go through them one by one, and I promise you, by the time we get to the 3rd, you'll understand why so many men miss the big picture and stay stuck. Vitamin number 1, the sunshine hormone, vitamin D3. Let's start with vitamin D3. Most people think of it as the bone vitamin. But here's the shocking truth. Men with low vitamin D levels are almost twice as likely to struggle with erectile dysfunction compared to men with healthy levels. Why? Because vitamin D3 is more than just a vitamin. It acts like a hormone. Biologically, it fuels testosterone production, the very foundation of male vitality. Without enough D3, your testosterone signals weaken, energy dips, desire drops, and erections falter. It also regulates blood vessel function. Think of your arteries like flexible garden hoses. D3 keeps them elastic and smooth, ready to expand when blood flow is needed. Without it, those hoses stiffen, restricting the surge of blood that creates firmness. Now, emotionally, imagine what happens when that foundation cracks. You feel tired, frustrated, maybe even question your masculinity. I've seen men in my office admit, "Doc, I feel like I'm fading." And when we corrected their vitamin D, the change was visible in their mood, their energy, even the spark in their eyes. Practically, here's what to do. Take D3 in the morning with a meal that includes healthy fats: avocado, eggs, salmon, even olive oil. Because it's fat soluble, it needs that carrier. Avoid taking it late at night. It can interfere with sleep. And aim for consistency. Your body responds best when it gets a steady supply, not random doses. I've had patients tell me within weeks of starting, they felt a lift in mood, steadier energy, and yes, firmer, more reliable morning wood. Vitamin number 2, the nerve protector, vitamin B12. Now think of an erection like an orchestra. You've got blood vessels, muscles, hormones, but who's the conductor? Your nervous system. If those nerve signals don't fire fast and strong, the music falls apart. And this is where vitamin B12 steps in. Biologically, B12 keeps your nerve pathways sharp. It ensures messages from your brain reach your spine and your most important organ quickly and accurately. Without enough, those signals slow down, and the response weakens. It also builds healthy red blood cells, your body's oxygen trucks. Without oxygen, stamina collapses. With it, stamina surges. Now, here's the kicker. After 50, your stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Even if you eat eggs, fish, or red meat, much of it slips right past you. That's why so many men over 50 walk around chronically low without realizing it. Emotionally, this deficiency is a silent thief. It steals your energy, clouds your focus, and makes you feel older than you are. Men tell me they thought it was just getting old, when in reality, their nerves were simply underpowered. Practically, here's what works. Use sublingual B12, the kind that dissolves under your tongue. It bypasses your gut and goes straight into your bloodstream. Take it in the morning. It's energizing, like flipping the power switch for your nervous system before the day begins. If levels are very low, your doctor may recommend injections for a fast reset. The results? Men often report sharper focus, more energy, less fatigue, and a stronger connection between desire and performance. Vitamin number 3, the traffic controller, vitamin K2. This is the vitamin almost nobody talks about, yet it may be the most important piece of the puzzle. Here's why. Calcium. Yes, it builds bones. But when it goes rogue, it hardens your arteries. And hardened arteries are erection killers. Biologically, vitamin K2 acts like a traffic cop. It directs calcium into your bones where it belongs and out of your arteries where it causes stiffness. When arteries stay soft and elastic, blood can surge in freely during arousal. Without that, no expansion, no firmness. And here's where it gets fascinating. K2 works hand in hand with vitamin D3. D3 increases calcium absorption, which is great for bones, but dangerous if unchecked. K2 makes sure that calcium lands in the right place. Together, they're like a tag team. One gathers the material, the other delivers it. Emotionally, think of the relief this brings. Instead of feeling betrayed by your own body, you regain trust in your circulation. Men often tell me they feel younger, more alive, when blood flow returns naturally. Practically, here's how to take it. Pair it with vitamin D3, ideally in the evening with dinner, since both are fat-soluble. Natural food sources include natto, a Japanese dish, aged cheeses, egg yolks, but supplements are often needed for consistent levels. When you combine D3, B12, and K2 in the right timing and sequence, you give your body the full toolkit: testosterone support, nerve power, and smooth circulation. So, how do you put this into practice? Morning. Take B12 under the tongue to power your nerves and red blood cells. Pair it with a glass of water to start your day hydrated. Breakfast. Take vitamin D3 with a fat-containing meal. Eggs and avocado. Perfect. Evening. Take vitamin K2 with dinner alongside D3 if you prefer one dose later in the day. That's it. 3 vitamins, 3 simple moments in your day. And the benefits ripple outward, not just stronger erections, but more energy, sharper focus, better bone health, and a stronger heart. Now, I want to pause and speak to you man to man. If you've been feeling like your body isn't keeping up with your desire, if you've started to worry that maybe my best days are behind me, please hear this. You are not broken. You are not finished. What you're experiencing is your body asking for better fuel, for smarter care. And when you give it that, it responds. I've seen it happen countless times. Men who walked into my office discouraged and walked out weeks later with new confidence. So here's my challenge to you. Give this a month. Take vitamin D3 with breakfast, B12 under your tongue in the morning, and K2 with dinner. Notice how you feel. Track your energy, your mood, your mornings. You may be surprised at how quickly your body remembers its strength. And before you go, don't miss my next video, where I'll break down the worst foods that silently drain testosterone after 50. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this with a brother, a friend, or anyone who deserves to feel strong again. Because aging is not the end of vitality. It's simply a call to take smarter care of yourself. And with a few small changes, you can restore comfort, freedom, and confidence in ways that ripple through every part of your life. Take care of yourself. Your future self will thank you.